document actually has two nested div wrappers inside the bigger container. So we have the containers holding everything and aligning everything in the middle. We have a nav menu div container up top that's holding our navigation, and then everything else inside of that is our main content div wrapper. So what we want to do here is take the background color off the container, since the container is holding everything. If we look at where we're going with this, is we want the main content right here to have a set color, and our navigation menu to have a different color. So our navigation background color is actually just white, which is, well, just white could be any color. Honestly, it's going to be the color of the rest of our background, and we're going to have the main content be this beige color. So let me start by going to my container and obviously deleting the background color. Deleted. There we go. Okay, now everything's white. Now I am going to apply to the navigation menu the beige color. So what am I going to do? So here's my navigation menu container, and you know what? I forgot what color this is. So you know the hex value color. So I'm going to use my web developer plugin, and I'm going to go view style information under the CSS menu, and if I click this div right here where I see its main container, it'll pop up right here exactly. So here's my Yahoo reset, and here's my, okay, look at this, here's my actual CSS document defining this color, and easy enough, it's FFEDE. Of course it's FFEDE. What am I, idiot? Yeah. You know, if you start knowing stuff like that, which you probably will in time, you'll start getting scared. So let's see what that actually did. I'm gonna have to take this off. Oh, did I not save it? I guess background color for nav menu. Whoops, I don't know why I picked nav menu. I meant should have been my main content that I picked this. Here it is, my main content, which is what's holding everything. Okay. Well, why, if I have two divs stacked on top of each other, why am I getting this garbage over here? Why is that color spilling over into my navigation menu? Okay, let's think this one through. This is actually a problem we had before with our H1. What are we doing to our unordered list? We're floating it to the left. So every time you float something, what happens to the element underneath? Well, it gets pushed up right to the right. So what's actually happening here is our navigation menu is being floated to the left, and this main content menu is pushing everything up. So the only thing we really need to do at this point is use clear. So have main content clear any floated elements. So simple enough. Let's see, main content, I'll add that property, clear both. Actually, probably just clear left should do it. Let's see. There we go. So pretty simple, although I'm sure when you bump into this problem, unless you really, one of the rules that you have to ingrain into your head, that when you're using float, you likely have to use clear, unless you want that floated style where things are going to sit next to it as opposed to underneath it. So keep that in mind, because it's this kind of stuff can drive you crazy, but if you remember what you're doing and how you do it, it's a lot easier to fix.